Okay, go ahead.
Happy birthday, Jesus. I'm so glad it's Christmas.
All the...
Merry Christmas you. And Merry Christmas wife. And Merry Christmas you. Happy birthday, Jesus. I'm so glad it's Christmas. Merry Christmas you. Merry Christmas wife. And Merry Christmas you. Happy birthday, Jesus.
Jesus, I...
Can I see?
Wait, you gotta finish it. Sit down and say, Jesus, I love
You.
Good job. Now, can you do the king one? Can you sit down and do it?
Can you help me?
Okay. We three kings. Hold on, Shay.
We travel so far.
More than mountains, fields, and fountains, following yonder star. Oh,
Star and one.
star of wonder,
Star of one. Star of one.
star of royal
Beauty bright.
Good job. How about we wish you a Merry Christmas.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year of time and saving to you and your friends.
Good tidings for
Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Good job. What about any other ones? How about Silent Night?
Mom. No,
Okay,
I don't remember this ornament, but it's cool.
Yeah, that is cool.
Yeah.
All right, say Merry Christmas.
No, Matthew.
You gonna get more ornaments, Matt?
Oh,
What is it?
ice cube.
Oh, it's an icicle. Yep.
Yeah.
Pretty cool. Good job with your singing. Your teacher's again proud of you, huh?
Oh, Mom.
When you do your Christmas pageant, you're gonna sing all those songs in school.
Yeah.
Pretty neat. Can you blow a kiss?